Tonight, in an NBC 15 Project Education exclusive, Mobile County Public Schools have a brand new alert system. It's been installed in about 1/3 of Mobile County Public Schools already. NBC 15's Laura Barcheski joins us live outside Denton Middle School tonight. Laura?
Kim, this new crisis alert system is active in 29 Mobile County public schools, and the director of security says it's already been put to good use. The new crisis alert system in Mobile County public high schools and middle schools uses visual and audible cues.
Lockdown. Attention. Lockdown.
To notify everyone, no matter where they are, of a situation or emergency that needs attention.
They can either ask for assistance, for instance, if there's an ill child in a classroom or a disruption of some sort to a classroom, they can ask for immediate assistance. Or if they were anywhere on this campus, anywhere in the perimeter of this campus, and they saw something that said that they determined was a reason to go into lockdown.
And it's really easy to use. MCPSS Director of Security Andy Gatewood says every staff member and teacher has access to the system on their person. With this new alert system, teachers can put the entire school on lockdown with the touch of a button. All they have to do is click it 8 or more times, and then they'll hear the alarm sound and lights flash. There are several different types of alerts: red for lockdown, orange for secure the perimeter, blue for secure your area, gray or white for evacuation, and green for all clear.
Attention, all clear. Attention, all clear.
Along with flashing lights and intercom alerts.
There's an automatic computer takeover for every computer that is hooked to our network, whether it be a laptop or a desktop computer in the teacher's classroom, actually the Cisco phones that are in every classroom as well have a screen.
Director of Communications Renee Phillips says this system is already being put to good use when a man recently left a mental hospital without notifying officials.
Last week, on advice of the Sheriff's Department, we went into what is called a secure perimeter, which means we lock the exterior doors. The students can still move around inside and change classes.
The alarm sounded.
Attention, secure perimeter.
And once the doors were locked, everyone could go back to the reason they're there in the first place.
We feel as though if they're in one of our buildings and they feel safe and secure, then they are much more likely to learn at a higher level or to instruct at a higher level. So that is important to us.
Next, they'll be working to put all of this technology in the elementary schools, and then they'll be working on hooking it up to 911 systems all over the county. Reporting live in Mobile, Laura Barcheski, NBC 15 News.